Hello, my friends. If you've been to the Philippines already and met few locals, you know that most of them do not hold a driver's license. This might be shocking from a Western point of view, where getting a driver's license is like a rite of passage. I experienced this myself when I first traveled outside the Philippines. I met couple of people who look at me like I am an alien or something for not having one. I got tired of explaining why I don't drive, so I finally took a driving course while I was in Thailand. And I crashed it. No, literally. I crushed it. Now join me and learn the reasons why Filipinos don't drive car. Welcome to Philippines Update. I hope you're not taking this literally. Yes, we do have a lot of cars in the road, but a good percentage of Filipinos don't drive a car. And here are some of the reasons why. Motorbike mania. The number of motorcycle riders in the Philippines has been growing for the last 5 years. Although we are not yet in the level of Vietnam and Thailand, if you've been in those countries, you know what I'm talking about. Motorcycle companies made it more accessible to the general public, offering flexible payment terms that attracted a huge market that increased the numbers of motorbike on the road. Options, options, options. The Philippines has so many public transportations like jeepney, bus, train, grab, angkas, taxi, tricycle, pedicab, and more. We can't fairly compare the convenience of driving your own car, yes, but all of this public transportation is easily accessible 24/7 in the entire country. Traffic. I know you are nodding your head right now. If you've been to Metro Manila, right there, that is the definition of traffic. If you agree, please click the like button. Some Filipinos just choose not to drive a car, not because they cannot afford it, but because they just don't want to deal with the crazy traffic in the metro. Instead, they will opt to ride a motorbike or rent a ride from a motorbike sharing app to zip through the traffic. And lastly, costs. As a developing country, a good percentage of Filipinos are still under the poverty line. Filipinos would rather put food on their table or spend their money for their kids' education than pay for a driving lesson, get a driver's license, insurance, and the car itself. These public transportation could be as cheap as 8 pesos or 16 cents US per ride, so it's a no-brainer for a Filipino to not use the public transport system. And that, my friends, are some of the reasons why most Filipinos don't drive a car. I hope you learned something today or gain a different perspective. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep safe.